Commence trolling. Nicole, there's a bird in the house!
What do you mean a bird?
Seriously, there's a bird in the house!
What do you mean a bird?
I'm for real, there's a bird in the house! Come here!
That hasn't happened before. Annie, there's a birdie. There's a birdie. You wanna get the birdie? You get the birdie? There's a birdie in here. I'm not shitting you, Annie. There it is, Annie. Come here. Come here. Look. There's the birdie. You see the birdie?
Oh, let's get him out. He's right by the door.
Yes. Oh, there it is. Oh, where? Oh, there it is.
Shit, how are we gonna catch him? You wanna use the net?
Yeah, just tell me where to go. I'll catch him.
He's over there in the corner.
Okay. I don't want to hurt it. I'm just pissed off with Annie.
There's a...
Come here, sweetie. I'm sorry. Oh, Annie.
Oh, Annie!
Oh, God.
Annie.
Oh, God.
There he is, he's up top.
Come here, sweetie. Should I act like Tourette's guy?
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
I'll try to thwart him.
Aww.
Did you find him?
Yes? I'm gonna take you outside. I'm sorry. You are probably so scared. Oh shit. Oh no, Annie, no! Be nice to me.
Oh, go out, go out.
Oh,
Go out.